Hi guys, welcome back to Natalie's Kitchen. How are you all doing today? It's been a while I haven't been on here, but I'm here and I'm well and I'm healthy, so thank God for that. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Guinness punch. So I've got my almond milk here that I will be using. I've got my condensed milk for sweetener. I've got my Nutriment. I've got my nutmeg for spice and my cinnamon powder, and of course your Guinness. And I'm going to be putting just a little drop of rum. This is optional, you don't have to put your rum in it. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is pouring my almond milk out. Don't want any splashes. Pour that out. Then my nourishment. You can use supplement, or some people use milk, just cow milk. I don't want to use that. You get more flavor into it like this. And just a sprinkle of your nutmeg, so not too much. So the same with the cinnamon powder, not too much. And let me get my Guinness punch. Your Guinness. So your Guinness one. There you go. And my white rum, just to give it a little kick. So as I said, you just need a drop. See, just a little bit of white rum. Don't need a lot. And your condensed milk next. Pour that in for your sweetener. So I've got here, I think this is 397 grams of condensed milk. I'm just going to use less than half of that. And then you're going to give that a stir. So let everything combine. Let everything combine. So stir that well. Nice and rich. Oh, and of course my vanilla essence. Just a little bit of vanilla essence. This one is quite rich. This is the extract. Check if it's sweet enough for you. Now to me, that could do with a bit more condensed milk. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Some people don't like sweet, so you don't have to add any more than half can. As you can see, this is a 2-liter jug. Yeah. This is a 2-liter jug, so, and it's almost full, so half can, if it's good enough for you, that's fine. And I've used a whole box of almond, so yeah, which is 1 liter. So, and then you have the Guinness and everything else. That's better. You can use any almond. Doesn't have to be. This one is quite expensive. Well, yeah, you can get some for £1. This is about £2 something. I paid for that one. So you can get any one of your choice. I've got some ice here, and I'm gonna pour that in. Look how lovely and creamy that is. Wow. That's it. Voila, you have your Guinness punch. Enjoy.